Hello, this video is going to be a little different. We're going to do a lot of drawing today. So if you'd get out a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil, probably a pencil would be better. We're going to talk about photosynthesis today. And we're going to talk about the organelle in which photosynthesis takes place. It's called the chloroplast. So what we're going to do is we're going to first draw a chloroplast, and I'm intentionally picking the color green. So in your picture you need a nice big oval, and I know the first question I get with this is how big should my oval be? You should actually be drawing this in about a half a page, so your oval should be pretty good size. We need a big oval. We need a second oval just inside that oval. There we go. And inside this oval we need a couple of stacks like so. It doesn't matter how many circles you have or how many little ovals you have in these stacks. Just make sure that you have several of them and that they're all over the place. So let's label these parts. This outer part is called the outer membrane. Then this right here is called the inner membrane. And this area right in here, this is called the stroma. The stroma is very much like the cytoplasm of a cell, but it is the fluid-like area that is inside the chloroplast. And if we look at this entire piece here, this is called a grana, and one is called a granum. If they are multiples, if we're talking about all of these stacks in here, these would be grana. That would be plural. Each one of these little ovals is called a thylakoid. And a thylakoid is what makes plants green. What's inside the thylakoid actually is what makes plants green. So we say that the chloroplast is what makes plants green. Actually, inside the thylakoid, actually in the membrane of the thylakoid, is something called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is actually what makes plants green, and chloroplast is the organelle in which photosynthesis is done. And that is your structure for chloroplast. In the next video, we'll give details about photosynthesis and where it happens.